Hello, welcome back to another video with Mommy's DIYs. In this channel, we concentrate in creating handmade DIYs so that you can either gift them or make money out of them. In most of the videos, I concentrate also in giving you the breakdown so that you know how much you're going to invest and how much you're going to profit. From right now until about the middle of December, I'm going to be doing different DIYs that you can sell for Christmas or that you can give to your family. But if you're new in this channel, please go ahead and like my video and subscribe if you haven't, and give me thumbs up. That will really help me a lot. But for right now, let's get to work. And I just wanted to record this a quick video just to show you something that I found. It is a very fast way to change your JPEGs to any other extension that you want. And this is very, very nice and simple. You just go to cloudconvert.com and it's going to take you to a page like this. Then basically what you're going to do, it's you're going to select your file here and you're going to choose any image. I'm going to choose this one and you're going to say open. Then this is a JPEG, so let's say we can convert it in all these different extensions. So let's go ahead and go PNG. So you just go PNG, and then the convert button is going to get brighter. Just go ahead and press convert. Wait for it. It's going to download. It's processing right now, as you can see, and there it is. There's your file already, so you just go download. And I have mine right here on the left hand side bottom right there. So all I'm going to do is just click twice to open it and make sure that it did convert the file, and there it is. And then after that, as soon as I close the file, I know that it's already on my downloads. Really quickly, other things that you can also do with this page is you can sign up right here so that you can keep a copy of your downloads at hand, and that's only if you want. For this one right now is totally free, so I hope you like it and use it. For now, that's all for me, you guys. Thank you so much. May the Lord bless you today and every day. Until next time, thank you.